Hello my beautiful family. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate your kind and love. You have really supported your boy in Africa. I'm grateful for that. So if you are new on this channel, my name is Mao. Kindly subscribe if got interested to this channel. This channel is all about African village life, lifestyle in Africa, travels, African culture. Today it's really a beautiful day. Visited Mahoma Falls. Mahoma Falls is found in Kabarore district. It's really a good adventure. That's where I have traveled to. So in this video I'll be showing you the bite, African bite, how we do outdoor shower in the African village. So kindly stay tuned on the video, like it, share it with friends, let me know how you feel about my videos. Kindly leave a comment. Thank you for always loving me. This waterfall is located along Kamwenge Road. It's along Kamwenge Road, branching from Asisi, taking that village road. It's really huge waterfall and it has fresh water. So let's go. So guys, we have already changed the clothes, so we are heading for the bike. Let's go. Guys, this is Mahoma waterfall. I hope you hear the sound of the river. Guys, when you reach in this area, the first most thing which you do, you have to remove the shoes. You see I've already removed my shoes. Guys, the reason why we remove the shoes, the rocks are really slippery, so you can't manage to walk on them with the shoes, so you have to remove the shoes, guys. I wish I could get a bath from this fall. Yeah, your boy Amma, one African boy. You can kindly check me on YouTube. Amma, one kindly subscribe, guys. You are with Shami Vlogs. Hey.
Okay, you want your stick?
Yeah.
Here you go.
So finally, we are back from the falls. I wish you the best. Thank you for coming as well. Safe journey. So more clients from you guys.
Yeah, they're going to watch this video. They will come.
Yes.
Thank you so much for taking us around.
Yes, you are welcome.
All right. I wanted to ask you, in a day, how many people do you take down there?
For sure, this is like a public. We might even take a day without getting any.
So how much do they pay for going down there?
So the Ugandans, they pay 10 per head. So the internationals, they pay 20.
Yes.